Good morning, children. Let us start with a good thought of the week. Today is Tuesday, 13th October. Change your life today. Don't gamble on the future. Act now without delay. Okay. As in the previous chapter, in the previous slide, we have already started chapter 5 expansion formulae, some expansion of a plus b, x plus a and x plus b. Now we will start expansion of a plus b whole cube. So what is the expansion of a plus b whole cube? Let us see how the formula comes. A plus b whole cube means what? A plus b 3 times we will write as it is a cube. Now first bracket as it is we will keep, and a plus b means a plus b square. Now we know the identity a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and first term as it is. Now a is multiplied with the second bracket completely, then b is multiplied with the second bracket completely. Okay. Now here one by one we will multiply. A into a square is a cube, plus a into 2ab is 2a square b, plus a into b square is ab square, plus now b is multiplied with a square, that is a square b, plus again b is multiplied by 2ab, so 2ab square, plus again b is multiplied by b square, b cube. Now a square b terms we will add. 2a square b and 1a square b will be 3a square b, and ab square and 2ab square will be 3ab square. So what is the last answer? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. In this way we got the complete expansion formulae as a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Based on these expansion formula, now we will study some examples. So example number 1, based on chapter 5 expansion a plus b whole cube. Now here x plus 3 whole cube. We know the expansion a plus b whole cube as a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here a will be what? X, and b will be 3. So let us substitute these a and b in our expansion formulae. So x plus 3 whole cube is equal to what? A cube, that is x cube, plus 3 into a square into b. So 3 into x square into 3, plus 3 into a into b square. So 3 into a into b square plus b cube. Here now what is the answer? X cube plus 3 into 3 is 9x square, plus 3 into 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 into 3 is 27x, plus 3 cube means 27. In this way we have solved x plus 3 whole cube. Next example number 2 is 3x plus 4y whole cube. Again same formula we will use here. A plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So here a is 3x and b is 4y. So let us see how to substitute. 3x plus 4y whole cube is equal to 3x whole cube plus 3 into 3x square into 4y plus 3 into 3x into 4y square plus 4y whole cube. So already we use this formula, expansion formula, and keep as a is 3x and b is 4y. So in this way we get the answer. 3 cube means 27 and x cube means x cube, so 27x cube. Here 3 square, we will take here 3 square. 3 square is 9 and x square is x square. So 3 into 9x square into 4y, plus here 3 into 3 is 9 into x into 4y square. 4 square is 16 and y square is y square. So 16y square, plus 4 cube means 64y cube. So what is the final answer now? 27x cube plus 3 into 9 into 4 will become 108 x square y, plus 16 multiplied by 9 is 144 x into y square plus 64 y cube. In this way we have solved the second example also. Now come towards the third example. 2m upon n plus n upon 2m whole cube. Same expansion we will use over here. Here A is 2m upon n and B is n upon 2m. So let us substitute A and B in our expansion formula. 2m upon n plus n upon 2m whole cube is equal to 2m upon n whole cube, that is first term cube, plus 3 into a square into b. A square is 2m upon n whole square into n upon 2m plus 3ab square. So 3 into a is 2m upon n and b square means n upon 2m whole square plus b cube. B cube is n upon 2m whole cube. So now write down the answer as 2 cube means 8 and m cube means m cube upon n cube. 8m cube upon n cube plus 3 into, now 2 square is 4, m square is m square upon n square. This is a 1 bracket into n upon 2m as it is, plus 3 into 2m upon n as it is, and this square n upon 2m whole square means n square upon 2 square is 4 and m square is m square, 4m square, plus now n upon 2m whole cube means n cube upon 8m n cube, 8m cube. Okay, now let us write the final answer. 8m cube upon n cube plus, now see here, this 2 and this 4, m also we will cancel, this m and this 1m will cancel, so 1m will be left over here. This 2 is cancelled with 4, that is 2 will be left over here. So 2 into 3 is 6. So what is left now? 6m in the numerator, and now this n and 1n from the denominator is cancelled. So 1n will be left. So 6m upon n will be left. Plus here in this term again this 1m and this 1m get cancelled. So in the denominator 1m will come and this 2 is cancelled with 4. So here 2 will come in the denominator, 2m will come in the denominator, and what about n? 1n and this 1n get cancelled in the numerator, 1n will be left and 3 will be left. So 3 multiplied by n, 3n upon 2m plus here n cube upon 8m cube as it is. In this way solve this sum accurately, okay, and do the examples correctly. Thank you.